Hi, this is Aditya Sanghi, CEO and co-founder of Hotelogics. Let's begin this webinar on switch to cloud-based PMS. Before I begin, I would like to welcome hoteliers from across 20 countries who have joined us. Uh, we have hoteliers from Africa, Australia, USA, Bahamas, Bangladesh, Germany, Canada, Chile, China, Cyprus, Greece, India, Indonesia, Kenya, South Korea, Maldives, Moldova, Siberia, and Vietnam. Welcome one and all. Before we get into the thick of the things, let me set the context over here. Basically, the whole need of getting into cloud-based PMS, there are few driving factors, and we would get into the details of driving factors as we go along. But clearly, uh, clearly the challenge is that the challenges of the small and mid-sized hospitality industry are no different than what the five stars have and the branded properties have. Our operational needs are similar, only the scales are different. Hotelogics as a credible cloud-based PMS in the market today, we have a mission of empowering each and every hotelier out there with a cloud-based PMS. If not empowering, at least educating on what are the benefits of cloud-based PMS. A bit of background about myself. I am the CEO and co-founder of Hotelogics, um, and leading Hotelogics in the past 4 or 5 years has given us tremendous experience in working with hoteliers across 65 countries. We have worked with uh, four-room B&Bs to almost 300 plus business hotels, room business hotels across the globe, from underdeveloped countries to developed nations. Uh, we have had the fortune of automating their businesses end to end. We saw them increase revenues through such end to end automated systems. We got the opportunity to understand the pain points, and by virtue of all this, we have a very good sense of understanding on what are their pain points and why are the legacy solutions falling short of delivering in the current market ecosystem. During our session today, we will cover the driving factors, few market validation points that will add to what we, uh, we mean to say. Uh, we will go through a bunch of benefits that a cloud-based solution comes with, and we will also try to address a few myths that exist in the market with respect to cloud-based solutions. So let's look into the driving factors. Why do we want? Why would one want to switch to cloud-based solution? Why would one want to get into a cloud-based PMS? The market dynamics have changed, and it has changed very fast. The single most driving factor towards the change of these market dynamics is the shift to the online marketplace. With the change, with the shift to the online marketplace, what has happened is that the small and mid-sized properties who didn't have budgets to market themselves, to create a brand awareness for their properties, have quickly got access to the world, which has made their property absolutely accessible, available, and it has become sellable to people that are unknown to them. Otherwise, their only means of brand awareness used to be their offline travel agents or few trade shows that they would participate in. apart from few print ads that they would do. Apart from this, the mid-income travel has really increased. The world is becoming flatter by the day, and with the mid-income travel increasing, the expectation level of the service expectation level of this mid-income travel group has increased as well. By that I mean that today when we check into a budget hotel, and if we check into the room which has dirty linen, we will create the same hue and cry that we would if we were to check into a five-star property. The same was not true 10 years back. We would say, yeah, we are paying less and we deserve less. But that is not true today. Such service levels directly translate into the kind of system automation a hotel would need to service the customer. With the changing markets that have become online, there is a strong need for the operations of the hotel to be integrated with their marketplaces, and that's where the legacy solutions are incapable. A legacy solution today is incapable of integrating in real time with the online marketplaces, wherein it results into not being able to respond to the customer requirement, and hence cloud-based solutions that are better equipped, that are based on the internet, and hence can be integrated easily with internet-based marketplaces to respond to your customer requirements. Some market validation as based on our experience. So in our experience, Hotelogics today, 65% of its customers, they replace their existing solutions and they switch over to Hotelogics. What does this mean? This means that there is a strong drift towards cloud-based solutions. Today, even a hotel, if they are using legacy solutions, it is a big effort to integrate a booking engine that is there on the hotel's website to its own property management system. There is a big engineering tunneling work that is required for it to integrate. Otherwise, these two systems being disintegrated, uh, the bookings that come on the booking engine on the website, they have to be manually consolidated, and sometimes there could be cases of double bookings, and and there would be times where the rates are out of sync with the rates that the hotel really wants to offer, and multiple such issues. So such basic requirements today, since the customer has gone online, legacy systems fall short of doing that. Uh, uh, they have uh, reached the they have reached an end of the technology curve, and cloud is the way to go um, in times to come. Why people are able to switch over is because cloud-based solutions come with very low baggage. You are able to easily deploy them, access them. They typically come with no license costs, zero capex, low learning curve, and hence replacement becomes easier. So let us see what can be achieved with a good cloud-based solution. With a good cloud-based solution, what one could achieve is that they can integrate all their departments, be it their front office, housekeeping, restaurant, travel desk. They can integrate their accounts all on one centralized cloud-based solution. You don't even need to have networking wires. You don't need to have your IT infrastructure. You don't need to have big servers, nothing of the sort, and one application that is running and taken care on the data center of the service provider. uh, One is able to use such integrated systems. Uh, what it also means is that since it is on the net, it is always available at any time, at anywhere, with just a bare laptop and an internet connection, and you are connected to your operations globally from anywhere you are. So you stay on top of your operations, whether you're in the property or outside your property. A hotel typically has the various marketplaces where it sells to, be it the online travel portals, be it the GDS, the booking engine on its website. Now social media is increasing by the day. The corporates that they sell to, the offline travel agents, all these are their end sales channels where they give special rates, and hence they need to distribute these rates effectively, efficiently to all these sales channels. Cloud-based solutions are better equipped to integrate to all these mediums, which essentially gives the control uh, at a single point to the hotel to manage their expanding addressable marketplaces, which increases their ability to get bookings from where their customers are hanging out today. So, in a nutshell, we are a good cloud-based solution is able to automate all their operations. It is able to integrate with the diverse marketplaces that exist today. It is able to give the information in real time to various stakeholders that can take actionable decisions for better business decisions um, to improve their occupancies, to increase their ARRs, and all of this is available to them at no overheads that they have to bear, uh, with just a simple machine and internet connection. They are able to access all of this on one centralized platform. They have no upgrade issues, no extra support costs. All is bundled into one subscription, uh, which is what typically cloud-based solutions come with. It certainly helps in reducing the cost. You can do away with all the hardware infrastructure that you have. Maintaining it is a big overhead. You would actually you would need the IT staff, either full time or contracted, to maintain it. You would do away with all the upgrade costs, the downtimes that exist with it, and the AMCs that are linked to it. So you save on ongoing costs. Typically, your cloud-based solution subscriptions would be lower uh, than the maintenance and the AMCs that you would pay on an annual basis. So this makes it extremely cost efficient. It makes it very, very flexible for you to automate your operations. It becomes very it gives you a very agile environment for you to scale up very quickly. Since these solutions are accessible over the internet, whether you are sitting at your home or whether you are in the property, you can access the solution from anywhere. For multi properties, multi properties, this basically becomes a much more interesting feature, because you have group revenue managers, you have group operations manager who can get control of their multiple properties sitting at one backend office. There are properties that have marketing offices that are remote to the properties that are down, that are situated in the mountains or in the beach. They have their marketing offices in metros. All these departments can access the solution in real time and be more agile with their decision making. So cloud-based solutions definitely give you the accessibility, gives you the flexibility to access it from anywhere, and gives you the agility to expand and scale up your operations without having to deal with IT infrastructure and IT complexities that come with it. Why do we say that cloud-based solutions are better suited for distribution. Uh, Let me give an example. Right? If there is a guest that comes to your front desk and asks, "Do you have a room empty in your property?" and you do not give any response to it, the guest would get turned off and would walk to the next available property. Similarly, your guests have gone online, your customers have gone online, and they are asking the same questions online, which means that your operational system, which is the custodian of your inventory, should be equipped enough to give that answer to it. With legacy solutions that are in premises, they are unable to interoperate with the cloud-based online marketplaces, and hence such integrations either do not exist or become extremely complex to manage. This is the primary reason why distribution becomes extremely complex to handle and manage with legacy systems, especially for a small and mid-size hospitality business where they do not have extra resources and manpower to manage their distribution uh, manually to all the various marketplaces that exist. With the increase of opportunities online, it has brought in a lot of complexity. So the increased opportunity, if we have proper systems in place, can be uh, one can avail of these increased opportunities and be present on all the diverse markets or marketing channels that exist online if you have proper distribution systems. And cloud-based solutions are the solutions that are better equipped to integrate with these marketplaces. Cloud-based solutions are typically very easy to use, easy to adapt. They come with 24 by 7 support, which is extremely important for again a small mid segment hospitality business who may or may not have dedicated IT staff. So this so technology is good as long as it is consumable, but if it is not consumable, it becomes an overhead. That is why cloud-based solutions are so very suited for this target segment. So if you if you look into a deployment cycle of a PMS, a cloud-based solution, right from start to finish can get deployed in less than a week or two, and without you having to build any extra IT infrastructure for it. It gets completely managed over the server. You don't have to download anything. You don't have to install anything. There are no virus issues. All you need is a browser on your system and you're up and running. Since it offers various mediums of support and training online, your users in your property come up to speed very fast. You don't have to deal with multiple versions, upgrades, fixes that will happen on your on your in-house server. Everything gets managed by the service provider at their end. You are there to you save your time, effort, money, resources, and all this can be channelized towards servicing your customer better. So it in effect it gives you more time, more resource to concentrate on your own business rather than deal with IT issues. There is a myth in the industry that cloud-based solutions you compromise are compromised with security, but cloud-based solutions are much better secured solutions than what a small and mid-sized hospitality business can have in-house. Uh, Today, if you get a snail mail versus whether you get an email. An email is a more secured communication that you would have than a snail mail that can be picked up by anyone. If you have Similarly, cloud-based solutions are generally hosted on professional data centers that are masters and custodians of data. They know how to secure your data. They know how to back up your data. They know how to audit trail whatever is happening on your data. So, uh, so these data centers on which your data is hosted, they are extremely powerful. They are extremely secured. The data gets backed up almost every hour. Even if an ant would crawl next to your data, it would get audit logged. So you would basically know that the what is happening, who's accessing your data, which you wouldn't otherwise with your in-house systems. So your business is up and running 24/7, and the overhead of that is being taken care by the data center where your data is hosted. Data that Whatever data that gets transferred over the wire from the client system to the server is always encrypted and sent. So even while the data is getting transferred, no data can get hacked, interpreted, and misused. To sum it all up, what cloud-based solutions bring on the table is that since it integrates all your operations on one centralized system, be it your restaurant, be it your front desk, housekeeping, everything on one centralized system, and interconnects all your various departments which are which are in the property and outside the property, interconnects your corporate customers, interconnects your offline travel agent. It basically streamlines your complete business operations. Since data is available to you at all times on a real-time basis from anywhere, it brings in a lot more transparency to the way business is conducted. You by virtue of having this transparency, you are on top of your business at all times. With critical data at your fingertips, you can take business decisions in a very agile way, and hence it brings in agility to your business. Cloud-based solutions, as they are better integrated with your marketplaces, it gives you much better opportunity to expand your market base, expand your addressable market, be available at all times in real time where your customers are hanging out. It gives you the best chance to increase your booking revenues. Since it is also it integrates you very quickly to your direct booking avenues like your website, like your social media, etc. It also helps you increasing your profitability. Hence, it helps you maximize your revenues. It helps you reduce your operational expenses, gets you rid of all overheads that you have when it comes to IT overheads, and basically gets you to be on a competitive, makes you more competitive in the market, and gets you at a level playing field with the five-star and the brands. So, so cloud-based solutions help you maximize your hospitality business from wherever you are. So, switch to cloud-based PMSs and be competitive in the market. Compete with the best in the market with the best of IT infrastructure that you require. Thank you. Yeah, you may connect with us. Send in your queries, any questions that you may have. Uh, at sales@hotelogics.com, or you may send us your questions over email. We will be pleased to answer them all. Uh, we would get back to you very quickly with any queries that you may have. Thanks one and all for attending and taking out time. I hope this session was useful, and we look forward to giving you many more such educational sessions in future. Thank you.